Okay, last graphing one. C right here. Let's factor. Numerator x squared minus 6x plus 9 is a perfect square trinomial. That is x minus 3 squared. Denominator, x plus 1, and then x squared minus 6x plus 8 means I need to have a minus 4 and a minus 2. Minus 2 times minus 4 is positive 8, and minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. So there we go. It's factored. No holes, no common factors there, but I do have an x-intercept at 3, 0, and that x-intercept will bounce. So I'll give myself a little reminder because of that squared. Y-intercept, where's that going to happen? I don't know. Let's figure it out. Plug in 0, so we get negative 3 squared in the top over 1 times minus 4 times minus 2. Double negative, that's gone. That's squared, so that will also be positive. So I get 3 squared is 9 over 4 times 2 is 8. So my y-intercept will be at 0, 9 eighths right there. Vertical asymptote will occur at x equals negative 1, x equals positive 4, and x equals positive 2. Horizontal asymptote will occur at y equals 0 because the degree of the denominator is greater than the degree of the numerator. And that is always going to make your asymptote at 0 when that happens. Okay, so let's graph this in axes right there. I need a vertical asymptote at negative 1. So I'll dash that in. I need one at positive 4. So I'll dash that in. I need one at positive 2, so we'll dash that in as well. My y-intercept is a positive 9 eighths, so it's right about there. I have an x-intercept at 3, right there, and it bounces. And now I need to sketch this in. Well, because I know that y-intercept, I know that this section here has to look like that, because I do not have any x-intercepts there. Okay. Now that tells me that if you look at the vertical asymptotes, all those factors in the denominator are all of multiplicity 1, which means on every other side of any asymptote here, I have to be at the opposite infinity. So if I go left, I have to be down. So that side has to look like that. If I go right, I also have to be down. So that side has to go down. Hit that x-intercept right there. And what do I do at that x-intercept? I bounce. So I have to turn down again like that. And then since that one's down, this one has to be up. So there you have it.